Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
And a very good Thursday afternoon to everyone on his dismal, damp and cool day across the region. In fact, we'll call it chilly. Our Aztec Chevrolet 6 WeatherBug off in Beeville. 51 degrees, looking damp out there. North-northeasterly winds 9 miles an hour. A little bit more wind off in Kingsville with our Nissan Automotive 6 WeatherBug there. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Today was a bear of a day. Our frontal boundary that was up in North Texas made its way all the way down and had a bit of a punch to it. But the air was really shallow, pretty much near the surface, and we have warm air that's riding on top of it. So the result is that overrunning pattern, and we're seeing some showers and thunder showers that are moving through the coastal bend at this point, and it's a pretty chilly rain out and about. The lighter rainfall activity is into our inland areas at this point, very light in nature, just south of Freer, off in Duval County, out near San Diego as well, and off to the south along 281, just south of Alice, near Fremont and Ben Bolt as well, pushing on up around Banquetti near Agua Dulce as well. We have some pockets of some heavier rain that's just to the west of Odom at this point, near Sinton, and pushing up near Bayside and up around Woodsboro as well, where they're seeing some light to moderate rainfall as well. But again, this has all not been severe. It's just been some pretty healthy downpours, and in fact, some of the Doppler radar estimates, especially for the inland areas where it pretty much trained throughout much of the afternoon, going from west to east. Some of the Doppler estimates are around an inch of rain, even 1.5 inches of rain just to the east of Freer in some very isolated spots. So some much welcome rain, because parts of that region were starting to experience a little bit of drought. As we look at the future tracker going into this evening, we could still hold on to a little bit of some light mist and drizzle. The cloud coverage is going to stay with us as well, and we'll also see a little bit of some mixed in patchy dense fog as well. So a damp night in store all the way until tomorrow morning. The cloud coverage goes ahead and stays along with us. A few little hints of sunshine for tomorrow afternoon, but it's not going to be a whole lot. The cloud coverage is going to rule, and if we hold on to the cloud coverage, I actually think we'll struggle to get out of the mid to lower 60s. So it's still going to be a chilly day, though milder than what we're experiencing outdoors right now. Notice on Saturday morning, we continue to hold on to cloud coverage. On Saturday afternoon, a little bit more sunshine, but still going to hold on to mainly cloudy skies across the region. And then as we go into Sunday afternoon, you see this line right there. That's our next Arctic front. A lot of folks are confusing this frontal boundary with the big front that's coming late Sunday. They're two different fronts. So we had one today, and there's still another one, the stronger one, coming on Sunday evening. So that's what's ahead for us here. Chilly temperatures for tonight as we stay into the 50s. The frontal boundary that moved in will move back up to the north as a warm front. So that's why it'll be milder tomorrow, but again, still on the cool side. And then mainly cloudy, milder on Friday all the way through Sunday. And I said that the front will come in late Sunday evening, so that will still allow temperatures to be warm on Sunday afternoon. But when that front arrives late Sunday night, we're talking about temperatures struggling to get out of the 40s for afternoon highs. We're at 55 degrees right now. Our water temperature miraculously holding on to the upper 60s. We have low 50s inland, and these temperatures are about 13 up to about 30 degrees colder than what they were yesterday. Certainly needed the jacket today as we hold on to north-northeasterly winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour as the dew points are coming down a little bit, but it's pretty close to the actual temperature. So that's why we could see a little bit of fog still as we look for those temperatures in the lower 50s for tonight. Satellite radar composite shows we still have the cold air and high pressure up to the north, and as we look into the northern sections of the state, there's still plenty of cold air up there, all the way up into Canada, and this is going to continue to move on down to the south over the next couple of days. And as we go into Friday, we're going to be looking for milder temperatures here, but it's not going to be until Sunday evening when that cold front all the way comes in, and that's when we're really going to see a cold, dreary days early next week. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast: 69 tomorrow, 72 on Saturday, 79 ahead of the front on Sunday. Don't let it catch you off guard. Once it moves through, we're talking about temperatures in the 30s and 40s with showers, cold conditions, but milder by Wednesday and Thursday. Paulo.